For 51 years, I've been doing a clinical research. There's certain things in life that I think make people successful. Here's what I've come up with. It's MPGR. That's the formula for success, MPGR. And you're probably all wondering what the heck that is. Is meaning and purpose, grit, and resilience. And if there's any two people that I know that possess MPGR, it's absolutely Isaac and Macie.
You're so pretty. You're so pretty.
Why are you crying? You're so pretty.
Wow. Wow.
I never thought anyone was worthy of dating my little sister, let alone marrying her. But I knew it would take someone special to measure up to her, but Isaac has done exactly that. You two truly are perfect in every way. Isaac, I hope you have as much fun growing old with her as I did growing up with her.
It's not easy to marry off daughters, but I trust my daughters. And we wondered, how on earth could Macie ever select somebody that would be equal in stature to our 3 sons-in-law, now 4? Macie did exactly that. And we've said for years that if we ever needed to go find a son-in-law, we'd probably go to Idaho to find somebody that knows how to work, who has solid values, honors his priesthood, and will love our daughter. We also threw in the potato farming part. Isaac may not be a potato farmer, but he certainly fits all of the other areas that are important, and we'll work on the ranching portion in time.
I remember as a kid, Isaac would come over for like 2 hours, and his parents would come over and be like, okay, we're here to pick Isaac up. And I'm like, dude, like it's been 2 hours. Yeah, well, you know, friends are like fish. After a while, they start to stink, and they'd say it every time, every single time. But here we are 14 years later, and Isaac's the type of friend that never starts to stink. So I'm sorry, Trevin and Nicole, you were wrong.